Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amy Lee Foster, and here we talk about all things manifestation, personal development, and self-care. So today I want to talk to you about what I think is the ultimate New Year's setup. Really the perfect way to help you manifest your goals over the coming year. And I did it here in my journal, and I'm going to show it to you, and I'll leave little write-up down below so that you can use the same prompts that I did if you liked them. So right here I have my journal, which is a Lexterm 1917. This is the B5 size, so it's my absolute favorite size. This is an A5. This is basically the difference. If I put bindings up together, it's substantially bigger. It's basically the size of a small notebook. I love it so much more than the small one because it just doesn't get as cramped for me. You can put more things in it, and most of the time when I'm using this, I do like a little bit of bullet journaling, but really what I mostly do is long form journaling. I do that every single morning. It has completely changed my life. I cannot recommend it enough to everybody. I don't spill my guts out to my journal every day, but I do, write down anything if I'm feeling weird, or I write about things I'm excited about. I write about things I did. I'm trying to get a little bit more into it this year with doing some more tracking. I do tracking of my symptoms and stuff like that for my autoimmune condition, but I'm really trying to make sure I'm tracking my sleep and blah blah. So the beginning of this particular journal has a little planner in it. I don't need it because I got the Law of Attraction planner, which I absolutely love. Super suits my needs. I'm gonna put a link right here so that you can take a look at that video if you're interested. I did an unboxing so you can kind of get a glimpse at the entire thing. What I did for this one was nice 2020 spread, all pretty with a stamp. I was on Reddit the other day looking at the Bujo community because I love the things that people do in there. I personally I do it occasionally, get really into a spread, and then it doesn't happen for me the next week. So I just decided that Bujo journaling or Bujo planning was not working for me. But somebody did put down some really, really great prompts for analyzing the past year and where you want to go from here. And I'm going to read them off to you because I thought they were awesome. I did them myself and really had some nice introspection about the previous year. I'd actually done a couple of year write-ups, but this one was probably my favorite. So, year out. 1, what has happened in the world around you this past year. 2, what has happened in your life this past year. 3, how did these events make you feel? 4, what is the core idea, motto that ties these events together? And then for the year out, 1, what is the core idea, motto that you want to follow in the coming year? 2, how do you want to feel? 3, what do you want to happen in your life? 4, what do you want to give to the world around you? So I definitely sat down and I answered all of these really fast, just filled up 2 pages, and it was really nice to have a recap of the year and kind of define where I was going for the rest of the year. Next section, I did my goals for work, financial, spiritual, and personal. And then after I wrote them all down, I left some space. So I wrote my goal, and then underneath it, I started to write the steps that I can get, or I can start working on to achieve. And a lot of these goals are all kind of intertwined. So when I'm working on one of these goals, I'm also going to be working on another, which is pretty awesome way to get things accomplished. I put down a timeline for most of these goals as well because I'm really just concentrating on the 1 year as opposed to what I want long-term 5-year or 10-year goal plan. And then on the next page, the little vision board. So I love vision boarding. I swear by it. I'm actually going to cut in right here and show you my last vision board where almost everything on it came true in about 6 months. Okay, so I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you my last vision board and how quite a few of the things on it came true. So right here we have a new car.
or a new SUV. I actually got a new truck. So I have a pickup truck now, which is totally awesome. I absolutely love it. Gratitude, definitely a huge theme, and I was saying thank you for quite a few of the things on my list. Sold my home for top dollar, which absolutely came true. I sold it for full list price. Did pretty well financially this year, which has been awesome. Yes, I can work from home. I was able to work from home during the entire pandemic. So I'm actually back in the office right now, but I do work from home pretty often and then go into work. So I kind of have the best of both worlds. Right here, YouTube video actually started a YouTube channel, so that's been amazing.
So I personally find them really powerful, very motivating. I like to look at them every single day, and I really wanted to up the ante and be able to look at my vision board every single morning, look at the list of my goals over here, and then I also did the same thing in my planner right there. So it's the same exact vision board in my planner, and that way I always have it on me. I bring my planner with me when I'm like running errands or going to work, and then I have this one for every single morning. Take a quick look at them, review my goals, and yeah, I'm just very excited. Another thing that I did is chunked down my goals for the month of January and put them all into my January section, and then I started transferring them over to my planner. So I'm super excited about this new year, and I think that putting this vision board into my planner is gonna be my planner and into my journal, super valuable. But I still did the vision board for my bedroom. It's big, it's in a frame, it looks awesome, and I look at that every single day too. So I cannot escape my goals currently, and I think it's an incredibly powerful way to make sure that you're going over your goals every day. I heard on YouTube or in a podcast that less than 1% of people review their goals daily. Now, if you are reviewing your goals daily, constantly reminding yourself of them, there's absolutely no way that you're not going to start moving forward in that direction. You're going to unconsciously and consciously start making choices to achieve the things that are most valuable to you. All right, everybody, I hope that helps you really dial in on your goals this year. If any of this is useful to you, please leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, I'd love to help. Definitely, if you like what I have to say, hit subscribe, and I will see you next week with another video. Take care. Thank you so much.